Hello and welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to have the most fun possible while washing your car. I've bought this machine gun attachment for my pressure washer, obviously in the shape of a MP5. So yeah, going to give this a spin. I'm going to give you some details about it as well. This company are going nuts at the moment in terms of advertising. I see their advertisements all over Instagram. You can see the back of the cover. It's got all the guns that you can buy from the company. So let's open it up. It comes with the instruction manual, how to assemble it, and obviously all the attachments. Well, not the attachments, but the connections that you're going to need to attach this to your pressure washer. Have a look at this thing. So it is quite a good looking piece of machinery. I say machinery, but it is obviously plastic. I'll be honest and say the build quality isn't fantastic. It does just kind of feel like a toy gun, but you know, it is expected. So this piece of equipment cost me $200. So you know, you'd want the build quality to be a little bit better, I think. Just putting the handle on there, and then obviously the connection to the pressure washer. It does come with various different nozzles depending on how you like to spray your water. It does come with a foam cannon. These are, I mean, it's just the generic ones off Amazon that you can get for $10. So I would suggest using your own, not using the ones that's provided. This is the stock on the butt of the gun. So just popping that on there. It does make it look a lot meaner with the stock, but I am having some problems with that. I'll talk to you about it a bit later. So yeah, obviously they've got some attachments for the foam cannon, which we all know about. This is the magazine that attaches to the gun. I thought this was a reservoir for some water or some soap at first, but it doesn't actually do anything. We've got a strap so you can strap it around your shoulder. We do have a different butt if the stock's not what you want, so you can have it like that if you want. I mean, it does look a bit meaner with the butt on the back there. That does fold. So you can clip it back into place and make it like so it's a real gun. There's some really cool and quirky buttons like the safety, you know, obviously the magazine detaching and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, it's pretty cool. On the top here, we've got our scopes, which is actually pretty cool. When you look down, it does look like a scope. Again, the build quality is not fantastic, but the look of it is, to be fair, it's pretty good. It's unreal. We then attach the barrel. So this is just a quick connect so that you can attach either your nozzle for your pressure washer or your foam cannon. Now this is the problem that I did say that I was having, which is the stock. Now in the instructions it did say it comes with a pin to keep it in place, but I don't know if mine didn't or I just can't locate it. If you are working for SuperVanta, leave me a comment. I've tried hitting you up on Instagram, but yeah, like as you can see, it does it's really flimsy and drops off, and had that a couple of times. So I generally use it without the stock, as much as the stock does look cool. Yeah, I just can't have it dropping off every time I spray a panel. So this is what it looks like. Now, as I said to you, it is a lot of fun. I will say that. I'll be honest with you, it is quite expensive. It is, you know, $200 Australian. Just for a little, you know, an attachment. However, as I said, it is a lot of fun and it does feel good washing your car with this thing. If you do want to spice it up a little bit, spice up your washer a little bit, this is definitely the attachment for you. So just getting around the entire car there, just giving it a bit of a rinse before we use the foam attachment. I am going to use their foam cannon that they've given. Just in all fairness, if I am going to give this product a review, better to use obviously all their products. Quick spoiler alert, I'd be using my own foam cannon. So here it is here. So it is, again, not a great quality foam cannon. It is just the ones you get off Amazon real cheap. and let's see how it all goes. So it does, oh yeah, it gives a nice spray. Yeah, I mean, the adjustable nozzles and stuff like that probably aren't the best, but it does do a job if you weren't too concerned about, obviously, the quality of the foam cannon and everything like that. So it's serviceable. Does it do a job? Yes, absolutely. Is it optimized? Probably not. You know, there's definitely a lot better foam cannons that you can get. But yeah, all in all, is it worth $200? Probably not. It's probably a little bit expensive. You'd probably want a better build quality for $200. You know, we are in that economy now where everything is quite expensive. So you do want I think you'd want a better build quality for $200. If you've got a spare $200, would you spend it on this? Absolutely. It is a lot of fun. And you know, it's definitely a talking point as well. You know, obviously with neighbours watching me wash cars and stuff like that. It's definitely a talking point, and it is something that will stick in their memories for a while, and obviously not forget you. I do like the fact that they give you different nozzles depending on you know what your preference is when you wash cars. The other thing is it is just like a pressure washer hose essentially. Yes, the pressure probably isn't as much as you get from a normal pressure washer hose, but it is certainly enough to get a car wash done and a rinse done where you're taking off either the soap or the grime, whatever you're using it for. There is enough pressure there that it can actually do a job, which is really good. I do also like the fact that they give you an option on designs that you want, certain, you know, different guns as well, obviously different prices. So you do get a bit of variety there, which is good. I'd like the option of a custom design. I think that would be great if they do ever implement that. I'll be getting a custom one, and I might actually get two. I might get one and I'll buy another one and maybe do a giveaway for that one. As always, so I can bring more content like this to you, if you could please like, comment and subscribe onto the channel. Also give the video a bit of a hype as well. It really helps my channel and brings you more reviews. Thanks.